Hello everybody, welcome to this video. We are playing Runescape 3, and today we're going to be doing some divination training. Yeah, so we are going to be doing about 5,000 more incandescent energy. I'm just gonna talk and try to keep you guys entertained. Yeah, so I think it's like 7 to 8 mil for 40,000, 45,000, or 40,000 to 45,000 incandescent. So yeah, I've never seen the bear do that one time. Wow, cool. So divination skill is pretty easy. All you gotta do is collect energy and convert memories into the energy rift. And sometimes there's the possibility you can get an enriched spring. So enriched spring boosts how much energy you collect. So always pay attention and harvest from the enriched spring so that you can collect all the bonus and extra XP, okay? So if you're joining this channel for the first time, let me just welcome you. I just changed my title for my character. The last one I had was the snowman. I got that one during the Christmas event. So now I kind of changed it because we are in a new season and you know everyone's getting ready for the Easter event. So I changed it to the egg, and the cool thing is that for the egg I had different title colors that I could have chosen, and I thought, you know what, since the last event had to do with a chocolate pet, let me pick a chocolate theme title, okay? So the egg, it looks like a chocolate theme title, so I thought I'll just pick that one. So we've got about 3,000 more energy plus to go. I hope I'm not boring, but Divination is a pretty simple skill to train. Sometimes it can look a little daunting and boring, but I mean, it's rewarding GP wise and XP wise. Very one of the greatest AFK skills you can come around. That's very simple to train. And Guthix is trying to do some. Oh, somebody just got. Hold on 1 second. Let me see what that was just now. Don't tell me it's a 200 mil, is it? I don't know what it was. Somebody got the pet, maybe? Somebody just got the pet, I think. Hold on. See? No, somebody got the pet, but didn't activate it. Yeah, somebody had to just got the pet and didn't activate it, so I think that's what it was. It could be that, or it could be somebody got the 200 mil, which is a significant milestone. Yeah, so, oops, I'm not training. Sorry guys, okay, I stopped training, so we're gonna try to get out at 4,000 because I don't want to push this video too long, too far. Just a little few things I want to say more, which is why I'm still recording. So yeah, Guthix, they are doing some fixes to thieving. They showed an image of Manifolds Market thieving, and so I went there. You know, I went there and I tried to see what was new. And so while I went there, I noticed that now you can't kind of pickpocket the Manifolds merchants. You can't pickpocket them for a very long time anymore. Now they kind of stun you after some while. I guess you gotta keep focusing on when you're pickpocketing. It's not as AFK as it used to be. And but they did say that in the Monday update, they were focusing more on less on AFK. They're focusing less on AFK and more on rewards with DP and also XP. So I guess that's why they did that. But then they said in the future update they're going to they're gonna level it and balance it more. So that's a good sign. Yeah, Guthix, keep up the good work. And okay, yeah, we're at 44,000. Let me close. All right, guys. So I know my YouTube channel is not just about RuneScape. It's about many other things, and I want you guys to